Dinaj, hi, how are you? Unmute yourself. We can't hear you.
I am good.
Awesome. Good to see you.
I know.
A long, long time. You've lost weight.
9 kgs.
9 kg. Superb. Awesome. You look so good. Okay. So, do you want to share how the session? First of all, it's nice to have both of you here today, and thank you for joining in. And I just wanted to, because I see some people were saying, I mean, you are younger to me, but I tell most people, only people who have, elder to me can resonate to what I'm saying. Mostly, yeah, younger also resonate, but people who feel tech challenged, people feel that they will not be able to move ahead in the journey. So I just wanted you guys to share how your experience has been with me, so it can help some people take decisions.
Oh, I was majorly challenged. Even now. Even now. And it's only Vandana who manages to push my buttons and, really put me to work and get the job done. If you are a person whose fears are holding you back, you need a Vandana in your life. I needed one. I know that.
So, what do you do, Dinesh? Tell us something about yourself. What's your work? What do you do?
So, I am a coach, I am a speaker, I run my own program called the Soul Warrior. I help people drop the baggage of the past. I help them to break through their limiting beliefs. And I help them bring the true version of themselves up. That's what
Awesome.
I do.
So, how has your journey with me been so far? And why is it that where are you stuck right now? What's happening to your tripwire? I'm going to ask you questions.
So, just now, when you were giving everybody that dose, I was taking it too of the Karma Yogi. लेकिन ये कर्मयोगी के बहुत सारे कर्म है जो करने पड़ते हैं in the corona time, because I've got an 80-year-old mother and I need to make sure that she in no way gets in touch with the corona. So that's a big task for me.
No, so the point here, Dinaz, is I know how serious you are, and I look up to you for many things. Though I am your mentor for certain things, you have helped me so much in my speaking journey, right? So in fact, Dinaz is for me here in the speaking world. Okay, I mean, she has the potential to be a world-class, powerful women speaker. That's what I see in her. But life takes over. She has other set of challenges to do. Though she's so serious on this journey, still life is taking over. So it is so important that you continue to do small steps at a time, small steps at a time. So you keep moving on this journey, right? So in fact, we made her website also long 3 years back. Okay, I was actually looking at your website, Shalini, Shalini Dinas today. So happy to see it is functional still. So let me open up your, how we created the lead magnet for you, right? So see, that's her if you guys want to explore, though this is when we did our website together 3 years back. After that I have my third version, and Dinaska is still there on the this, but it is good to go. It's good to go, right? Now this we can still make it further fine, refined, and better. See, look at the logo, color combinations. It represents a brand, right? So there are a lot of things. There are 6, 7, 8 important components of your website. Okay. So, teacher, I'm eagerly awaiting to see her courses on the Teachable Hub. Okay. So, thank you, Dinesh. You want to share something else?
All I'll say is one thing. If I didn't have all the extra stuff that I need to do, I would physically come to Bangalore and I would just complete everything. And I know with you, it would get done like this. That's the sad part, that, I'm stuck over here in Mumbai. That's exactly what I do.
I'm so eagerly waiting for your launch, because I know what you can do in this world. Right? So I'm also super charged up that you move ahead on this journey, even if you're not able to record the course. There are a lot of short monetization strategies that I want to you to get going, don't stop. Okay, so too many things. So thank you so much for showing up today. Thank you, Shalini. Thank you, Dinaz. And I hope the tribe, both are awesome speakers. Shalini is a great trainer. Okay, Dinaz is a powerful speaker, guys. And if you get to attend their programs for free, please go ahead and attend. Okay, and if somebody here is stuck in their past, Dinaz is the person to go, because you don't know what challenging life story she has. Okay, you don't what she's appearing right now and what she has gone through. Yeah, that you have many things to learn from her. Okay, thank you so much, Shalini and Dinaz. It's great to have you, and we are going to make an awesome community of valuable insights and wisdom that we can share with this world.
Love you, Vandana. Love you.